Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your headphones Beats Studio Pro from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings, and then if you have your headphones connected with a phone, right here you will see this menu. Tap at this line, or we can also go to the Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your headphones. We have the same menu. Right here scroll down, and at the bottom we have a button Disconnect. You need to tap at this button, but before I tap on it I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your headphones, you click at this button and you will stop Bluetooth connection with them, but leave them at the device list. And if you select to Unpair, you will totally remove your headphones from your phone. So if you need this, just click at the Forget this device button. But let's disconnect them, so disconnect. And as you can see, I just stop Bluetooth connection with them, but still have them at the device list, and I can easily reconnect them by just tap on them, if these headphones turn on and do not connect it with another device. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!